This video is about quadratic functions and their graphs. I will discuss the standard form, vertex form, and intercept form of quadratic function. As always, I love sharing testimonials from my parents and students. The parent function or basic function for the quadratic function is f of x equals x squared. Here is the graph of the parent function for the quadratic function. Standard form for a quadratic function, f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. We readily see the y-intercept is the value of c. The graph will have a minimum value and open up when a is greater than 0. It will have a maximum value and open down when a is less than 0. I will use the function g of x equals x squared minus 4x minus 12 to demonstrate standard form, vertex form, and intercept form throughout the video. In standard form, we readily see that the y-intercept is negative 12. This function opens up because the value of a is greater than 0. For this function, the value of a equals 1. Here is the graph of g of x showing the y-intercept. When you have a function in standard form, you can determine the axis of symmetry using the formula x equals the opposite of b divided by 2a. With our function g of x, b equals negative 4 and a equals 1. Therefore, the axis of symmetry calculates to x equals 2 for the vertical line. I can next find the vertex with the input value of x equals 2 into the function g of x, and the output will be negative 16. This means the vertex for this function g of x is 2, negative 16. Here is the graph of the quadratic function g of x in standard form, highlighting the y-intercept, the axis of symmetry, and the vertex. Vertex form. Vertex form for a quadratic function is f of x equals the product of a times x minus h squared plus the k value, where the vertex is h, k. The function opens up when a is greater than 0. It will have a minimum value. The function opens down when a is less than 0. It will have a maximum value. We reach vertex form from standard form using the process of completing the square. Here is the graph of g of x in vertex form, highlighting the vertex 2, negative 16. Intercept form. Intercept form for a quadratic function is the product of a times x minus p times x minus q. The intercepts are p and q, or the ordered pair p, 0 and q, 0. The function has a minimum value when a is greater than 0. The function opens up. The function has a maximum value when a is less than 0. The function opens down. Intercept form from standard form. You reach intercept form from standard form by factoring. Here is the graph of g of x in intercept form, highlighting the x-intercepts, negative 2, 0 and 6, 0. I've included a practice problem for you to try. Please pause the video. Here are the solutions to the practice. I hope you did well. I would love to hear your comments about your results. Share any questions you have about the practice problems or the material in the video. The next video in this 4-part series will be on vertical transformations of quadratic functions. You can contact me with email at Yahoo. You can reach out to me on my tutoring platform with Wisant, and please follow me on Twitter. I hope you were math-ified. My goal is for you to have math-isfaction.